How does one ensure financial stability in the ever-evolving world of today? Is there an interest in boosting income through engaging, flexible ways? The answer to these questions may be found in a recent Forbes article. In a world that's constantly changing, it's never been more important to have a backup plan. And this is where the concept of a side hustle comes into play. According to an analysis of U.S. Census Bureau data cited by Forbes, nearly 300,000 people start a side hustle every month. This includes 1 in 12 individuals between the ages of 55 and 64, and 1 in 25 individuals aged 65 and over. But what exactly is a side hustle, you ask? Essentially, it's a job or task that you take on, in addition to your main job, to earn extra income. It could be anything from freelance writing to consulting, teaching, or even starting your own small business. Retirees in particular are finding side hustles to be an effective way to boost their income, while also finding excitement and extending their hobbies. Side hustles for retirees can range from consulting businesses in their area of expertise to crafts, social work, or part-time jobs for bigger companies. Consulting is a popular option, as many employers may want to retain retirees as independent consultants to benefit from their knowledge and experience. Starting a small business is another path that retirees can take to earn extra income and stay active in retirement. But side hustles aren't just for retirees, they're for anyone seeking to supplement their income, explore new interests, or simply make the most of their free time. And the beauty of side hustles is they can be as diverse and unique as the individuals pursuing them. So whether you're a retiree looking to stay active and earn a little extra, or you're in the prime of your working life and simply want to diversify your income, consider a side hustle. Take your hobby, your passion, or your expertise, and turn it into an income-generating venture. In conclusion, side hustles present a viable and exciting opportunity to boost your income while doing something you love. With nearly 300,000 people starting a side hustle every month, it's clear that this trend isn't going anywhere. Now is the time to consider starting your own side hustle. Whether it's consulting, teaching, freelance writing, or starting a small business, the possibilities are endless. So why not take the leap and turn your passion into a paycheck? After all, the best time to start is now.